today I'm making some easy bran muffins. So I'm going to start with 1¼ cups of flour, and you can use all-purpose flour. I have a mixture of whole wheat and all-purpose white. I usually like to substitute a little whole wheat in my recipes. 1 cup of wheat bran, 1/2 cup of firmly packed brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And we'll just whisk that all together. Now our wet ingredients, we have 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 egg. And we'll whisk that together. Pour our wet ingredients into our dry and stir just until mixed. So at this point, you could add in like 1/2 cup of blueberries, raisins, chocolate chips, whatever your heart desires. I'm just leaving these as plain bran muffins today. Put some liners in my muffin pan. I'm going to divide the batter up equally between the 12 muffins. Them in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. Now I'm going to check them at 18 minutes, and they're done when the toothpick inserted comes out clean. And you don't want to overbake them because that will dry them out. Once I take them out of the oven, I'll let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, and then I'll take them out and put them on a cooling rack. Okay, so my muffins were done at 18 minutes. And now you can store these in an airtight container on your counter for a couple days, or in the refrigerator for about a week. And if you want to have them for longer, I'd wrap them individually in saran wrap and then throw them in a freezer bag, and then you can take them out as you need. Nice and moist. Thank you for creating with me.